Alright folks, I am at the Razer booth here at CES 2020, and as always they are drawing a huge crowd. Right off the bat I see something that catches my eye. I'm wondering what took them so long. This is their Razer Tomahawk gaming desktop. This is not an external graphics card. That's what they built for so long, and it looks like they have extended their product stack to take advantage of knowledge they picked up on external enclosures, and this is actually an entire system. It's using the NUC Extreme motherboard and CPU, NVIDIA graphics. It has an SFX power supply, and of course that's their enclosure there.
I know, really great.
It was about time that someone marketed something like this at retail, so it looks like Razer are going to bring it to you. Of course, like their GPU enclosures, this is a toolless aluminum sled, really cool looking. Let's see what it looks like. Slides right in there. So the motherboard is essentially on like a daughter card, so you can see the motherboard's detached here. Very cool design from Razer. A few years back, Razer hit a home run with its Blade series of gaming laptops. The big upgrade this year for 2020 is a 300 hertz refresh panel. That's just kind of mind-blowing. Even saying it sounds goofy. 300 hertz refresh rates on those models, both 17-inch and 15-inch. Still using 9th gen Intel because, frankly, the gaming CPUs have not been updated to 10th gen. But if you come around over here, you do get the 10th gen GPUs in their Stealth models. This is Stealth 13 coming in at $1,500, and it is a really beautiful, super slim content creation kind of focused model. 13-inch screen. It's got the Intel i7 1065G7. You know, frankly, Intel never thought about the branding of this. I mean, seriously, look at the model number on their Intel CPU. What would you call that? A really innovative product from Razer for all you Android users. This is a Kishi wired controller. It actually plugs directly into USB-C. It has an elastic band here, so it tightens onto your device, and then when you're done, it actually it becomes extremely compact. And the idea here is that you don't have to worry about Bluetooth latency issues. This is a wired connector. So it's directly connected to your phone. It doesn't require any battery power because there's no wireless signal. You just have wired performance from your Android phone. And by the way, this is also going to be coming out for iOS. Right now for Android, it's going to be under $100, coming out Q1 2020.